You!
So she's having, with it being an 8-string uke, she's having steel strings on it.
You didn't let me finish.
I'm sorry?
I was going, you!
You what?
Ukulele!
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Trying to add
You're right, humour. I wouldn't bother if I were you.
A bit of Hollywood, production
Anyway,
skills.
there's the pick-uppy thing.
Well, let's explain what it is first of all. It's an electric ukulele.
Electric ukuleles can have still strings.
Hang on a second. Ordered by the lovely Jilly.
Yes, she's ordered the strings.
We've seen her before, yeah.
Yeah, and it's having gold Gotto machine heads on it.
Gold.
And they're coming through, like that. I've got to make...
What do you mean coming through?
They're coming through from the back like an ordinary guitar would.
Well, isn't that
not through a hole. Yeah, I think they do on ukes.
Oh, you mean like a nylon strung classical kind of thing? Okay,
yeah. So that's that.
Yeah. What's that pickup there, Doug?
It's a nice pickup.
Well, yeah, but what is it? The brand
is a humbucker.
Is the brand N-I-C-E?
I think
nice.
it's...
What's in its box?
I think it's
iron gear.
Yeah, so there you go. So there's that.
Yeah.
She's having I'm going to have to make her a gold bridge. I was going to make a wooden one.
Is that for a ukulele?
No.
Oh, because it's very small, isn't it?
It wasn't for a mandolin, but I fitted one to L's and it sounds marvellous. Mandolin,
just wondering what it's for. It's a regular guitar kind of.
It's a regular guitar one, which I'm putting there.
Angle, yeah.
It's 8 strings.
8.
So no matter, with it being a complete bar, the string position doesn't matter, does it?
Call me silly, but I thought ukuleles were 4-stringed instruments.
Most of them are, but some of them are 8-string.
No, that's double the work, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's very good.
So that's that. That's what she's having.
What about the bridge?
Through neck.
Through neck, yeah.
Yeah. I've got to make the bridge.
Okay. So what wood have you used? Maple, rock maple, turned in half, a slither of brown stuff.
Brown stuff, yeah.
What is that brown stuff?
Oh, it's brown.
Mahogany.
No. I think it might be Bubinga.
Sorry, is that a speech impediment or Bubinga?
No, it's Bubinga.
Bubinga. Let's get some Bubinga in this.
The speech impediment doesn't come into it. It's like I'm making it light, and I've cut a big cutout like I did on the mandolin.
Off like Alan's.
Yeah, Alan's mandolin. Yeah, I'm doing all that.
Are you going to put the jack socket like a telly or on the top?
I might put it on the top. I don't know yet.
Ooh, no, I'll do a telly job.
Well, don't know.
Like, might not have the
Not
width.
certain about that.
Might not have the girth for that. You don't know, do you?
No.
Little tiny frets. Look at that.
Little tiny frets. It's a 17-inch scale.
I suppose a ukulele player never probably gets above the first 7 frets, do they?
Well, they can do on this. Look, they've access to right the way to the top.
You need to be E.T. to play the 17th fret, don't you?
Well, no, they're not that narrow.
Are they?
No, look. 17-inch scale. It's quite reasonably wide.
But you couldn't get one of your big fat fingers in there.
No. No. I could get over them too.
Yeah, do a doubler. Yeah. In fact, you just don't bother putting the frets in, like after about the 12th fret.
Well, I don't use the chords the same way as other people do. For like an E, if there's them 2 notes and that one, I just use one finger on them 2.
Yeah, I know what you mean. If you went up the 12th fret with a fret for one, then if you just skipped a fret, you'd have like Indian tuning.
You are an idiot, aren't you?
Could be quite a radical instrument. Anyway, I think that'll do, Doug, for that.
I think so, yeah.
I think Jilly will enjoy that video.
Yeah.
So, what's the estimated delivery?
There's no
date?
estimated delivery on anything at the moment. I'm doing so much.
Yeah.
So.
You know what you need, don't you? A holiday.
I'm going on one.
Excellent. Right then.
Yes. Oh, and this is the Strat I'm building for.
Well, hang on. I'm going to stop there because this is about the ukulele.
All right.
Yeah, we'll get to the Strat another day.
Okay.
But hey, what's you got in a mood or something?
Sorry?
Have you got in a mood now?
Mood?
Yeah.
Why would I?
Not pissed off because
I
said let's stop. Good. No. That's the spirit. Right, Doug. I'm going to go.
Fuck off then.